Klondike Ho! That's me, Sandwich Dad, hello. And this past weekend I was in my old stomping grounds in the Klondike in Dawson City, and I stopped into one of my favorite places, Bonton and Company. An incredible boucherie turned restaurant featuring locally Yukon butchered meats and locally grown cheeses. It's a truly amazing place and a great restaurant, and owned by my former boss, the amazing Shelby Jordan. And while I was there, I picked up some locally made Polarbert cheese, as well as some Genoa Salami that was just pulled the other day and recommended to me by Shelby. And I'm going to, of course, make a sandwich with it on this demi baguette here. But first, I have to show you this amazing cheese, this Polarbert. Obviously a play on Camembert, but it's from the north, so it's Polarbert. You can see polar bears are white and black, and so is this cheese. It's got a poplar ash under the rind there. It's delightfully runny, and probably one of my all-time favorite cheeses. And the salami, made from local Yukon pork, is absolutely incredible as well. I can't wait to try it all together. Let's go. First, we'll split our baguette here. We're going to put a little bit of butter on the bottom. Once we have mo bit of butter, we will layer our salami. We shall find a way to get this delightfully runny Polarbert cheese onto our sandwich. Easier said than done, but intrepid sandwich makers are we, and we shall prevail. Beautiful looking sandwich. Looks even better with the toucan. You know what's next. Cut diagonally, the sandwich, not the actual cut, and reveal. Alright, and now it's time for the taste test. Look, I know this is exceedingly local, but it is delicious. And if you ever get the chance to come up to the Yukon, make sure you get up to Dawson City and make sure you visit Shelby and the team at Bonton because it's incredible. Sandwich Dad, good day!